Smartphones have made it big in the tech market. Only a few % of the Earth's population is untouched by the use of smartphones. So, if you are in the cell phone wholesale retail business, no doubt it will give you a bang on profits. But for profitability, you need a reliable source of suppliers that goes parallel with your business demands and needs. Who we are. Ueephone is a professional wholesale cell phone distributor since 2012 and is one of the leading platforms in the cell phone wholesale market. The bulk of our inventory is made up of Apple and Samsung products. As the largest wholesale cell phones distributors, we manage to provide optimum shipping and wholesale prices if you buy cell phone in bulk. We make sure to keep you updated on stocks and never miss a price drop. Our experts bring excellence to our services to give you a seamless experience on every step. We have warehouses both in Hong Kong and Europe. Devices are fully tested and ready for next-day delivery in Europe. What to expect when you buy wholesale cell phones from Ueephone? You will get. Ueephone has unbeatable prices in the market. When you go for bulk cell phones purchase, we offer you discounts and vouchers on subsequent and current orders. You can buy cell phones in bulk at a wholesale price like nowhere other. Every cell phone we sell stands true to our testing and grading process to ensure quality control. Any defective pieces in your order lie with us only. Our processes are transparent, so be sure of what you are getting. We offer 15 days return policy. If by any chance you got defective pieces, don't worry. With top-notch quality, Ueephone offers an easy and fast return. With Ueephone, you get fast turnarounds, inventory consistency, accurate pricing, and a standard degree of products. Advanced and consistent inventory flow. We keep you updated on any new launches and price drops. How to wholesale phones from Ueephone. We make our process convenient and straightforward to follow. Steps goes like, price inquiry, offer price, order confirm, make an invoice, make payment, make shipment, tracking, order finish. Contact us now.